great day everyone. Thank you so much for watching again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will going to have now a continuation of discussing or having a pronunciation of the different vowel and diphthong sounds. So without further ado, let's do it. So in this video guys, we will going to have now a pronunciation of the vowel sound Okay, let's start with the non-plurals words. So the first word is churches, pages, batches, wages, bunches, world. Okay, now let's start to the possessives. We have roses, Alice, Lucius, Linus, Miles, Remakes. Okay, to the past forms is, let's have this: accepted, added, planted, funded, assisted, rejected. Okay, for the drill on of words, let's have reason, imagine, Sunday, many, pretty, roses, prison, reason, pocket, loving, rainy, traces, intent, event, bandage, dreaming, city, easy. Okay, thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you learned something, and if there's some errors of this explanation, I hope that you will able to give a correction for this one. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you learn and have a great day and have fun. Thank you. Goodbye.